If you want to add a description in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add a page description so your survey looks more polished, gives people more context, and helps them understand what they're about to answer. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your survey feels. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, click on Survey. This will take you into the survey creation area where you can edit the title and description for your page. Next, click on Page Title. This is where you'll enter the main heading for your survey page. Type in the title you want to use. Make sure it's clear, short, and relevant to the survey topic, because this is the first thing respondents will see. After that, click on Page Description. This is the part many people miss, but it's extremely useful. Here, you can type a short description to explain what the survey is about, set expectations, or provide any helpful instructions before someone starts answering the questions. Keep it simple and easy to read so your audience can quickly understand the purpose of the survey. Once your title and description are filled in, take a moment to review everything and make sure it looks correct. This is especially important if you want your survey to feel professional and organized. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so the description appears properly on your survey page. And that's it. You've now added a description in SurveyMonkey. It only takes a minute, but it can really improve the experience for everyone who takes your survey. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.